just woke up to the anchor chain being pulled up. It's 1 a.m. and I guess hubby decided we're leaving to do the 15-hour leg. So everything... Oh, what the hell was that sound?
I think it might have been a log or a fisherman or something.
A fisherman?
Oh, no, there we go.
Boat?
It's a log over there, I can see it. That's a big log. You better check everything. I'll go check the bow.
Oh my god, there's nothing quite as startling as starting the night coming out from a really reefy bay, dodging reefs and bumping into something that you're not sure was a reef or a boat or who knows what. Anyway, it was just a log. We just come through here past the Gili Islands, that's Trawangan, Hillier, and we're just having a little sail. Okay, so I just cleared everything, secured everything, making coffee. Now we just got to play Russian roulette with the fads. So, yes, I know, darling, I know. So, babe, how would you describe our night sailing to everyone, like the reality?
Well, you must wear the correct attire firstly. Undies. And shush cat. There's lots of fishermen coming out of the port, which most of them don't have lights, and some out here you can see the horizon. Then there's lots of reefs everywhere, lots of moorings, which you can't see either. And now we are left the bay area, we're going to head out to where the fishermen are. And there's lots of nets which are unmarked, and lots of fads which are unmarked. Fish aggregating device, basically a big lump of bamboo and crap or tires, whatever they've got, and they make it float with a rope that goes to the bottom of the ocean, and basically it brings fish towards it, but we don't want to hit it because it will wrap around our prop and cause a variety of dramas for us. So we're just going to play Russian roulette, I guess. Run the gauntlet.
But we've got to leave this time because it's a 13-hour trip.
Yeah, it might be a bit longer as well, because we've got 25 knots from the east and we're going to the east, so it's going to be quite bumpy. This is the part of the night that I always love. when it's like a bit of night zone to exercise the old sphincter muscle.
But we've got dawn breaking, so that's good. It is beautiful sailing at night, I've got to say. It is spectacular sailing at night.
Been here.
Fishing boats they don't have their lights on sometimes.
There's a little fishing
Oh,
boat.
I can see that one there.
Straight off the starboard there, flashing away.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you kidding, mate? It's a bit close, isn't it? Bloody hell! You are kidding me, aren't you? That's just rude. That is just so rude and stupid.
Guys like that, you don't know, is he playing games with me, just cutting off my bow, which they can often do, but the problem is I don't actually know if he's seen me or not, so I have to pretend he hasn't seen me. Yeah. And he was on a course for collision, or is he just trying to go as close to our bow as possible? Either way.
Just play a game.
Either way, it's just stupid, yeah.
It is so dumb.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, they've got that concept that if they cut in front of your bow, they steal your luck. So they're always trying to cut in front of your bow, yeah. It came from the Chinese fishermen. And up and towards north of here, towards Malaysia and Thailand, the big fishing trawlers do it too, and they do it at night, and they're like 200-foot long vessels, and it's pretty scary.
Sounds like a really dangerous superstition. So Jimmy's just gone down for his sleep after an all-nighter. And we're just going to check out this little island here, which could be really cool to anchor, but we just have to check out if it's sheltered. Otherwise we'll probably just go over here. Yep, it's boring at the moment. I just have to watch out for fads and stuff, fishing boats and stuff. And yeah, hopefully Jimmy will have an hour or two sleep and then we'll get there. What do you think, Ziggers?
She doesn't hate this.
She's a little green behind the gills. Have you got gills? You haven't got any gills. You've only got silly little ears here. Oh, she's not looking well, babe. I saw her dry reaching a bit before actually.
14-hour shift, going from 10.5 knots through to 4.5 knots, depending on the currents. It's been epic, but we are
in heaven. This is heaven, by
and
the
we're
way.
anchored in 20 metres of water, but you can see the bottom.
It's
clearly
insane. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it from there, but that is. I hope you haven't got your phone on you. We've arrived at our favourite dive spot in the world, Komodo, and this is a secret bay. I'm not going to tell anyone where it is. And there's nothing better and more worth it after 3 days of sailing non-stop to get to this beautiful bay and free diving down to these insane group of manta rays playing. They're like all circling each other. It's like they were doing some kind of dance. It's so cool. Freediving to me is one of the most favourite reasons of why we love being on the boat. It's just an escape. You're just with your own thoughts and feelings, breathing deeply, oxygenating your body and just making yourself feel fantastic. Observing beautiful, beautiful ocean life. What a perfect ending to a really, really eventful trip. See you guys.